My wife drank every day. Ingredients: lemon, ginger, carrot, water, cinnamon. 1. Lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals can contribute to premature aging. 2. Ginger. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help protect the skin against oxidative stress and reduce inflammation that can contribute to skin aging. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that can help slow down the aging process. It helps combat oxidative stress and reduces the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, in the body. AGEs are known to contribute to aging by damaging collagen and elastin fibers, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications.